let's dive into a topic that's not often discussed, but is super vital. How to gracefully exit an LLC partnership. Sometimes, partnerships don't go as planned, and it's totally okay to find a way out that protects your interests and maintains the health of the business. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your business as successful and profitable as can be. Now, according to some studies, about 50% of business partnerships encounter some issues that could lead to dissolution. So, you're definitely not alone in this. First thing, you'll want to revisit that original agreement you and your partners made when you started out. Hopefully, it contains an exit strategy that outlines the process for leaving the partnership. If it does, now is the time to dust it off and follow the roadmap it provides. But if there wasn't any foresight into this and you are kind of walking on untrodden paths, fret not. It's advised to have a candid conversation with your partners. Open dialogue can sometimes smooth the path and lead to amicable solutions. It's also a wise move to consult with our organization, legalregistration.com. Our experts can help navigate the legal nuances and make sure you're taking the right steps. A recent survey indicated that businesses that sought advice during partnership dissolutions were 80% more successful in achieving a positive outcome. Next on the agenda is to settle the finances. You would want to ensure that the business valuation is done fairly and accurately. Bringing in a third-party expert might be a good idea to handle the valuation process. This step could prevent disputes and provide a neutral ground for negotiation. And finally, consider the emotional aspect of this transition. It's not just about the legalities and the money, but also about preserving relationships where possible. Remember, about 30% of business partnerships that dissolve amicably result in future successful collaborations. So, keeping that bridge intact might open doors to future opportunities. To learn more about this subject, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, which step mentioned in this video do you feel is the most important when getting out of an LLC partnership? Leave your comment below and let us know what's on your mind. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with crucial business solutions.